Student, today we will discuss about the importance of biodiversity and how biodiversity is important for us. Okay, many topics already we had discussed about biodiversity. So here are these point. Okay, please make notes from it. It's very easy way to understand that what are the important aspect of biodiversity. Biodiversity is very important for maintaining the proper ecosystem. You know it very well. If biodiversity is rich, definitely food chain and food web, they both are in healthy manner. Means oxygen, pollination of plants, waste treatment and biological control of pests. For all the ecosystem management, biodiversity offers so many things. Okay, first thing is oxygen. If biodiversity is rich, definitely will get a good amount of oxygen. If oxygen is good, producers are good in number, definitely it flourishes the best ecosystem. Next is stability of ecosystem. Ecosystem is a long term thing, children, because according to David Tillman, the ecosystem with more species tend to be more stable. Is it true? Ecosystem, as I told you, if it is having the more food chain, more food web, so definitely it becomes a more stable ecosystem. If ecosystem is stable, definitely it lead a good, it is a sign of a best or healthy environment. Next is food source. Both plant and animals provide the ultimate source of food to the population. Is it also true? If producers number are good, so definitely first means herbivore number will also increase. If herbivore get the sufficient amount of food, so definitely the all trophic levels get a good or healthy food, and definitely it will provide the stable ecosystem also, and it also an indication of a healthy environment. Okay, or 20 plant species, just read that the 85% of the world food production is made by cultivating less than 20 plant species. You can understand that from the few plant species only we are able to make the hybrid and hybrid plants. Plant breeding is there by which we can make different varieties, different food varieties. Okay, next topic, next is of fibers. You know, cotton, hemp, jute, all the fibers we get from the good and healthy biodiversity region. Okay, next point is other useful products like gum, resin, dye, fragrance, tea, coffee, latex, all are obtained from the biodiversity. So this is also another use of healthy biodiversity. Next point is drugs and medicines. Many kind of drugs or medicines we obtain from the forest plant or normal plants also. Like one example I am giving you about the Rasparin we get it from the Rolfia serpentina. Okay, so like this Ocimum is the name of Tulsi. So these kind of plants we get from our surrounding. These provide drugs and medicines to us. Okay, next is of scientific value. Several scientific researches are performed over various plant and animal species. This is very important. If you opt biology as your subject, that time you know that there is a so many possibilities to do the research work, because very few varieties are only discovered. Okay, many varieties are left, many plant varieties, many animal varieties are there, they are under study. Okay, so under research. So we can say that for these scientific work also, if biodiversity is rich, we get different type of varieties also from there. So these are the important aspects of biodiversity. Many more are there, but these are the important one, or you have to keep this thing in your mind. Thank you, children.